Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Bonita in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco expanded designer home offered at $599,900. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome friends. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Bonita in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom expanded designer home that is made of block and stucco. The back of the home does face east and the front of the home does face west. I will start by giving you a panoramic view of the street. That is facing north. That is a quiet cul-de-sac. That is facing south right there, friends. As I walk up to this home, I notice that it has very good concrete driveway that is painted. Very mature landscaping there as well. This home does have a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage as well. You will see this home has 2,276 square feet of living area. And as always, if you have any questions about the home, please contact Chris Day, your listing agent, or Theresa Parolisi, your showing agent, and I will include both of their information in the description of the video. As I walk up to the home, I do see they do have some brick paver accents along the sidewalk and a beautiful blue entrance door with glass windows. Let's go inside and take a look. Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is these beautiful tile floors. The awesome architecture in this home as well. This home has very high ceilings with knockdown texture. I will visit that kitchen area a little bit. Off to the left, you do see a guest quarters. That has a sliding pocket door for privacy. You see the tile floors continuing in this guest bathroom as well. That guest bathroom has wood cabinets, Formica countertop, very high ceiling. That shower surround is tile. It also has a tub as well. There is your tile accent as well. This would be your linen closet for your guest bathroom. It does have wire rack shelves as well. I will continue in the guest area. This is a guest bedroom. Tile floors in this guest bedroom. Very high ceilings, knockdown texture, neutral color paint as well. This bedroom does have bifold raised panel doors on the closet as well. Very neutral. This home is list priced at $599,900. Off to the front of the home, you do have another guest bedroom. Tile floors continuing, cathedral ceilings. That window is awesome. This bedroom also has raised panel bifold doors on the closet. We are in the village of Bonita in the Villages, Florida. Next I will walk out into the living area as well. And the kitchen area. This room is huge. Large kitchen. Solar tube in that dining room. You do have tile on the island on that kitchen. Look at the tile right there. You do have Formica countertops. A 2-bowl stainless sink in that kitchen. Recessed lights. There is a solar tube in the kitchen as well. You do see the wood cabinets continuing in this home. Tile floors are continuing in here as well. Look at the glass doors on the cabinet. Very tall cabinet there. You do have an electric cooktop. Tile backsplash right there. Very nice home. This is your laundry area. Tile floors are continuing in the laundry. There is a window in that laundry space. Very high cabinets with raised panel doors. There's also a closet with bifold doors in this pantry. Let's take a look at what that has to offer. There are shelves as well. Here's the garage. This garage does have, it is a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage over there. This is a block and stucco home. It does have a water filtration system there as well, friends. It's a Culligan water filtration system. Does have a sink in the corner right there. The mechanicals are right here as well, friends. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Next, I will walk into the back of this home. I will show you the Lanai area. I'll give you one last panoramic view of that island in that kitchen. This is your Lanai. Tile floors are continuing in this Lanai. Lots of windows, knockdown texture. This is a temperature controlled lanai. It's an enclosed lanai. Very large. Neutral colors in this home. This lanai does face east, friends. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. Leave in the comments what you think about this home. This home does have a pergola right there. It has a patio, concrete floor, concrete patio in very good condition. There is enough room back here to put a swimming pool in if you so choose. That is the back of your home right there, pergola. I noticed they even have electronic shades on the lanai. You see the shades right there, and they're half pulled down. There's extra space between these two homes as well. If you noticed, there is an easement between these two homes. There is extra space, so you don't feel too enclosed in this particular home. That's a better look at your roof line there. Let's go back into that home. I'll show you the primary bedroom area. We'll walk back out to the street. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Off to the right is the primary bedroom. You do see those ceramic tile floors continuing. This bedroom has a tray ceiling in it as well. Lots of windows. This bedroom is located to the back of the home. Extra wide base molding I see as well. Very nice neutral paint. Tile floor continuing into the primary bathroom. Look at the architecture in that home. This primary bathroom does have 2 sinks, wood cabinets, Formica countertop. Very high ceilings. Even has a room for a powder area. It has a separate commode space with a sliding pocket door as well. That commode space does have a window in it too. Give you another look at the bathroom area. It does have a walk-in Roman shower that is tile. That Roman shower is awesome. Brushed stainless hardware. It does have a seat in that room and shower. Very nice. Recessed lighting. That is the shower there. This does have a walk-in closet, tile floors in the walk-in closet. Does have a sliding pocket door. Look at all the shelves and organization in this closet, walk-in closet, very large walk-in closet. This home is awesome. It's beautiful. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Next, I will walk back out into this home. I will show you the rest of this home. I will give you a panoramic view of this living and dining space. This is awesome. It even has a built-in oven. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I will walk back out into the street. I'll give you one last view of that street. Here we are walking back out of the home. Padding off to the right, that is the quiet cul-de-sac over there. As always, if you have more questions about this home, please contact Chris Day, your listing agent, or Theresa, your showing agent. I will include their information in the description of the video. There you have it, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, block and stucco designer home that's been expanded, located here in the village of Bonita. List price $599,900. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me here in the village of Bonita in the Villages, Florida. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco designer home is offered at $599,900. Have a great week, everyone.